Om Samastajana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahmavidvaram Sadgurum Brahmavidvaram. Hari Om. We shall see today about the Lokas. Loka means various worlds. Now, friends, in this creation, right from Mula Prakriti or the origin, the Prakriti, the source, okay, the unmanifest it is called. From that, the entire creation emerged out, manifested in layers, in various layers. In this expansion from Bindu, the Mula Prakriti, the dot, source, origin, the cause, unmanifest, and up to this physical world, it's all matter, Padartha, Prakriti. Now, here, the matter is continuous. There you don't find breaks actually in between. But the ranges are fixed here. So slowly the gradation in matter takes place. Gross to subtle and subtle to gross. Now, all the beings, jivas, or souls generally translated, but jiva is a better word. They all occupy all these worlds depending on their evolution, depending on their karma, the balance of punya and papa, merits and demerits, merits and sins. Loka means a common field of experience. Loka means what? A common field of experience. Like we say, the world of cinema is different. They live in their own loka world, their thinking, their thoughts, their occupation, their analysis. The world of engineers, the world of doctors, the world of lawyers, think. The world of teachers, teaching community, the world of businessmen in different categories. Means what? A field of common experience is called a world or loka. We are all in this loka, bhuloka, meaning that world, physical world, where we experience, all of us, physical objects available in this world. And as human beings, we experience them through our five sense organs: seeing, smelling, tasting, touching, and hearing. So, this is all our common field of experience, right? And its implications at psychological level varies from person to person. So, all the people who are fond of sports, say cricket, they all gather and that becomes a cricket world. In the world of cricket, the world of drunkards, the world of gamblers. So, everything within this physical world, there are different worlds are there, which is a common field of experience. Lokyante, drushyante, they are seen and they are experienced. So it's called a loka. And all the beings In all the worlds, they are there and they experience the world of their loka. Okay. Now, from one angle, we count about from one division, we count there are 14 lokas, 14 common fields of experience. Depending on karma, these jivas, they settle in the different realms. They keep moving, of course. So they are called bhuhu, bhuvaha, suvaha, mahaha, janaha, tapaha, satyaloka. Satyaloka or brahmaloka. They're called lokas above, urdhva lokas. On higher in the cosmos, the higher side. The nether regions, the lower lokas are plenty again, seven of them. Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Talatala, Rasatala, Mahatala, Patala. That's how they categorize the worlds, the below. All these worlds are made up of Panchamahabhutas only, five elements. Akasha, the space, Vayu, the air, Agni, the fire, Jala, water, Prithvi, earth, elements. But all the lokas have different combinations of these five great elements. The formula of mixture is different from one loka to other loka. The formula of the mixture of the five elements in this world, Bhuloka, and the entire physical plane, what all we can see only the physical world, up to universe, the sun, the solar systems, galaxies, they're all physical. It's all physical plane only. They're all made up of one particular combination of the five great elements. Same five elements in different proportions, ratios of these elements when they are mixed, different lokas are formed. And in each loka, the being, the jiva, experiences that particular loka anubhavas, goes through the experiences of that particular world. Now, for jivas, for human beings, majority of us, we are confined to only three lokas: bhuhu, bhuvaha, suvaha. These three lower lokas only we are confined. So, what are these three lokas? Bhuloka is the physical world. As I told you, the combination of the matter elements with kind of ratio, the proportion with which they are mixed is different. For more details, you can refer Tattva Bodha of Bhagavan Sri Adi Shankaracharya ji, wherein he mentions about Panchikaranam, the formation of this physical world, how this physical world is formed with the mixture of five great elements: space, air, fire, water, and earth. Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Jala, Prithvi, respectively. Now, in this physical world, we are all drawn, we are gathered here on this plane because we have karma related to this world. We have certain desires to go through the experiences of this world. So, we are all here. But having come here, there are different sections, different places, locations, but all are physical plane experiences only. Like you go to mall. Mall is one big shopping complex. But the cosmetic people drawn towards cosmetic shops, those who want to interested in chappal footwear, they are drawn towards those stalls. clothes stores, electronic gadgets. Like, so they're all gathered. They go to different world in the mall only. So only in Earth also we are having so many lokas within the sub-lokas. As I said, world of doctors, lawyers, etc. So this plane is meant to exhaust our karma. This is called karma bhumi, where I can put forth my efforts also, along with going through the experiences of this loka. I exhaust my merits and demerits in this plane. Punya karma, what I do related to this world, I am born here and experience all those things. The sins or papa, that the fruits of the demerits, papa, which I have to go through from in this life, in this loka, they also get to me. They are given to me for me to go through them. So these are all the physical plane experiences are lokas. Now comes bhuvaha. Bhuvaha means what? The lokas which are intermediary. Intermediary lokas are those lokas wherein after death, after death, or there are some beings who are suspended in that region, a big region, intermediary region, in the in between region, between heaven and earth. All the lokas, there are many tires are there. All these things are in one go located called as bhuvaha. Bhuvaha. So in this, Gandharvas are there, Pitrus are there, various elemental beings are there, Kimpurushas, Yakshas are there, Gandharvas are there. They are not of physical plane, but they are subtle plane. Some are there of that loka, gone from this physical world, go there, go through the experiences of that world, good or bad, and come back to earth again to pursue their evolution. So this entire world is called Bhuvaha. Suvaha is Swargaloka. In Swargaloka is a pure Ananda, pure bliss, but not the ultimate bliss. Swarga is a plane where absence of all kinds of sorrows. It is not a positive one like the experience of Supreme Brahman. But heaven is absence of thirst, hunger, pain, old age, and old age symptoms. All these are absent in heaven. So, those who do extraordinary punya karma or merits, they go to Swargaloka, they stay there. Swarge Vishalam, Vishal Swargaloka is Vishalam. Bhagavad Gita Krishna says, Te punyam asadhya. They gain punyam and they experience, they enjoy Vishala Swargaloka, much, 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 much larger than the physical world. So they go through all kinds of most pleasurable, joyful experiences in that loka. And Kshine Punye Marchalokam Vishanti. Once the punya is exhausted, because I paid, I cash, like I pay cash, as long as I have good cash, I can travel anywhere in the country, in the world. Once the travel money is exhausted, I have to come back to my place. Similarly, they get heaven in exchange for their punya karma. So when punya karma is exhausted, they are asked to go back to earth again. So kshine punye marchalokam vishanti. Having the merits are gone, expended, then they come back to Manushya Loka. So Manushya Loka or human life, human world is a base. And all of us have been touring only in these three worlds. And even though you go to Brahmaloka, Brahmaloka Punaravartino Arjuna. Hey Arjuna, Up to Brahmaloka also, you will return. You will return back to earth because there is still karma left out. So, Gatagatam, they come back, go and come back to different worlds as per our karma. We are sent to that world, exhaust the papa or punya karma in those worlds, come back, again go through the sorrows or experiences of good, joyful experiences in this world according to one's own karma. This gati, this constant transmigration from one world to other world is called samsara gati. Samsara gati. This is a world of transformation. So one who has done lot of tapasya can go beyond Swarga and slowly and steadily, step by step, reach Brahmaloka. And there, listening to satsang by Brahmaji himself, by Chaturmukha Brahma will give Upadesha, Tattvamasi Mahavakya, and eventually from there, one realizes one's own nature as eternal truth. So that's called karma mukti, mukti liberation in stages. So this is the thoughts in about Bhurloka, Bhuloka, Bhuvarloka, and Suvarloka. So our gati is going on like this. We gain punya, go to some loka, come back, do some papa, go back to loka, particular papa loka, naraka, go through some kind of bitter experiences, come back. In human life, it's a mixture of good and bad. So we go through the good experiences also and bad experiences also. This is in nutshell about Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Swaha. When we renounce all the three lokas, then go beyond all these worlds through your tapasya and detachment from the lower planes of matter, one will get liberated. So this is the path and this is the way. So these are the details of the three worlds. Okay. Thank you. Hari Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om.